Hi, in this video I'm gonna be walking through how to convert a photo to PDF. Open your gallery app and just open the photo that you want to convert into a PDF. Now tap on the share icon and here you have to find out print. So tap on more. Tap on more. And here you have to find out print, tap on that. Now here we can see the drop down, just tap on that and select save as PDF and just tap on this download PDF option. And now from your internal storage, select a folder where you want to save the PDF. Just tap on save and now go to your My Files, navigate to the folder, and here we can see the PDF that I just converted from a photo. Thanks for watching.